Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Coach Paul's Multiple Income Funnel Review 2022. I want to be going over some things that I feel that is very important. Right now, we're having a Quantum Leap 90-day challenge. It started April the 1st, and it's going to end June the 30th. And let's look at the bullet points. It's $20,000 in cash prizes, $20,000 in free traffic, which you're going to learn about that later. $10,000 in monthly prizes. I want you to be accountable, build confidence, develop your skills. This is the back office of the multiple income funnel. You have several tabs across the top. We're going to go over those tabs. And as I scroll, these are the 4 steps that you have to complete because you want to be accountable. Remember, this is your congratulations video. When you come in here, you will have the option right there. And I do advise you to go ahead and join the Facebook group. And that's step number 1. Step number 2, you want to set up your 4 income streams. What's so exciting about this is because you have more than 4. I'm going to show you later when I get to that tab right there that says bonus income streams. Income stream number 1 is the multiple income funnel. Number 2 is the Power Lead System. It's a very great course that will help you build funnels. And I give you an example in my own little course that I developed right here. I use the Power Lead System to create this page. Right here is a lead capture funnel page. And when you come here, you're going to receive a $50 cash reward gift card for just taking a look. Income stream number 3 would be TextBot. TextBot is a very good course, and I'm going to show you why. Right, TextBot is a powerful tool because you do not only have to target people with work from home. It is a great tool for conventional type businesses. So just take a look around in where they don't do yellow pages anymore. If they do, it's very small, but we had yellow pages back in the day. You may have it online, but look at just Google all your small businesses, and this could be a great piece of tool that they can use, and you can get paid. That is awesome. So when we hover over to resellers, this is the page for resellers. Just let's review this right quick. Our reseller program was paid out over $2 million, and is on target to pay no less than $10 million. Wow, by the end of 2022. Why TextBot? TextBot resellers keep and collect, you see that, 100% of the membership fees their customers pay for Ava or Ava Plus. Unlike other texting companies, TextBot gives you the opportunity to step in the highly lucrative and life-changing world of text message. Okay? By giving you the ability to keep and collect 100%. That is $100 you can make instant as a reseller with this particular tools here. This is what I like about multiple income funnels and doing this multiple income funnel review for the year 2022, because you earn the following. You earn $10 a month or $100 a year for every Ava basic sale, $50 a month or $500 a year for every Ava Plus sale. Now, we not only give you the tools and the technology you need to create a full-time income sharing our products with others, but we also teach and train you how to do it. You have an exclusive Facebook group community, private to all of us, and you will get to interact with and learn from not only the TasteSpot corporate team, but also other resellers just like you. $100 for the year, folks. How can you go wrong? If I was to market this product alone, and yes, you do have the option to market these products individually, then my customer or future customers or prospect would simply click here, hire Ava, create an account. This would be your page, and the page should say exactly this. You were invited by Paul Thacker. Create my account and get started. We're going to move on to the fourth income stream, which is called Traffic Authority. Traffic Authority is a great tool if you don't have any friends left, because in the network marketing and affiliate marketing and direct sales industry, sometimes we have a tendency of being in the NFL club. So, as you can see, I am connected with all four income streams. It's simple and user-friendly to navigate. Step one, watch this first. That's where we was at the very beginning, where I showed you the blueprint, the Social Mastery Blueprint. That's a very good program that you get a lot of this stuff either at discount or free. Set up income streams number 2. Set up your e-wallet, step 3. And look, we have videos for every step. And then step 4, the back office. Let's play that right quick. I'm not going to play the whole 11 minutes, but let's get a view of the back office.
So, right, these are the links that you actually want to go in place with your traffic orders, with Traffic Authority, with every type of marketing you're going to be doing here. You're going to want to choose one of these lead capture pages. Now, we've got several from you to choose from. You do have the opportunity to purchase your own lead capture page builder, an autoresponder, and collect your own leads if you'd like to communicate with your follow-ups, so you can actually, earn while you learn here.
Okay, guys, so when we go to this link, here are your links. Here are your capture Facebook lead capture page, number 1, number 2, and you have Facebook group, VSL, video sales, lead page, lead capture page 1 here, and you have several options. Okay, now you're going to eventually come in with one of these pages. So this is the one without the lead capture page. Okay, so you don't have to log in, is really what that means. But then why would you give somebody that page? Well, you would give it to them once you've already talked to them and you already have their information. Most likely you're looking at this because I have your information. Either way it goes, this is my multiple income funnel review, and that's another good reason why you should be looking at this. So let's go back here, and this is how lead capture page looks. This is one of them. Look at that, guys. This is beautiful. Okay, you can't make this on your own unless you go here to the Power Lead system. Okay, and then you can make plenty on your own. So the traffic, of course, is the Traffic Authority. Team is your contacts. Leads is people that logged into one of your lead capture pages, leaderboard, resources, my business, and the bonus income. I am about to end this review. Let's go to the resource tab. Then you're going to see when you click on the resource tabs, you're going to see these tabs at the very top. Email swipes, banner, web banners, social media, images, Facebook posts, and the training. So if you currently have subscribers list and you want to mail them to let them know about the MFI marketing system, feel free to use any of these proven email swipes that you see below. So they help you guys with content. Okay, these are just a few, and of course you can alter them to fit however you want to speak. Okay, your tone, your character, your personality. Let's go to the next tab. Web banners. Banner advertising is very popular. You find places that you can place your web banners. And I know a few good places that you will get some traffic from that. Social media images. Great images, guys. A lot of this do-it-yourself stuff is ready. That's why it's here. That's why it's called do-it-yourself. Facebook posts. Look at here. You probably seen some of these if you are in some Facebook groups. And then the trading tab. This is the 7 steps to success with MIF. Click here. You start training immediately, guys. You can start training immediately. Look at there. Work on you, lesson 1. Lesson 2, and work on you is very important. A lot of times, all you have to do is look in the mirror. You find a problem, and you just go and find the answer to resolve the issue. Number 2, lesson 2, traffic. Lesson 3, follow-up. Lesson 4, YouTube training. Lesson 5, Facebook. Lesson 6, time blocking. Lesson 7, launch and bonus. Now, simple, extra training. Okay. Now, guys, I want to go over to show you the last of my multiple income funnel overview. And this is even more streams of income. Bonus income stream number 5. You see bonus income stream number 6, number 7, number 8, and I have number 9. So here's live active proof that you can promote these individually. I created this page myself, and again, click this banner, you're going to go where? Boom! You're going to go here. This is a video that I created myself from other tools. I did the background. That's my lovely wife in the background. I did the artwork. And when you come to this page, people will go right there and listen to the main man tell you how you can spend $20, not only just trading for $30 and savings and gas, but make over $150,000, guys. This is another video that I created. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Coach Paul, and we'll be my lovely wife. Yes, so we just want to say welcome to our page, and we are happy that you come today. And I hope you watch the video above this video so you can get acquainted with it. All right, so the next video is I break down the compensation plan. Okay, so guys, these are examples, and yes, there is my lead capture page form. I have my own Aweber account. No, where I didn't fill out any fields. What did I do that for? But anyway, yes. And some other great things. Now, this is going to be going into a magazine. Started July the 2nd. This is an ad that will be going out in a major magazine, and it is a very, very good system that I have designed for anyone who joins me with the Be Eco Fuel tabs inside of this magazine. I'm going to get plenty of leads. The circulation is very, very high. And I have a partnership program set up that if you spend $63 a month to join my lead co-op partnership, let me show you an example of that. Welcome to the co-op advertising lead partnership program. That's where the leads are going to be coming from. That's raw, people. Okay. And the contribution is a monthly fee of $63. You must join the Be Eco at the monthly $19.95. But to get the bigger Fast Start bonuses, you need to join at the $50 level. So this would pretty much end Coach Paul's Multiple Income Funnel Review 2022. But before I go, I just want to show you how important this is to me. I am not a monthly reseller for $49. Guys, I upgraded. I will receive $200 commissions and $20 monthly commissions. My next billing is April the 30th, 2023. Thank you very much for watching my review. When you decide to come aboard, take action. A link is provided if you're watching in YouTube, or if I place this on a special page for you, there will be buttons provided so you can go ahead and watch this video presentation by Mr. Daniel and join. This will end Coach Paul's Multiple Income Funnel Review 2022. Have an awesome day.